So today I have the Vantrue Element Series dash cam. This model is the E1 Pro, which won Design Award in 2022. It does have genuine 4K, HDR, STARVIS 2, and LTE. I also got a 64GB micro SD card with a SD adapter by Vantrue, alongside a hardwire kit to hardwire it into my vehicle, and a circular polarizer, 40mm, also by Vantrue. So let's get to opening it. So here's the dash cam itself. Side view has a Type-C and a reset button. The screen itself, of course, there's a plastic protection over it at the moment, a micro SD card slot, and the power button. So after opening the wiring kit, we can see that the kit includes a mount which you adhere to your windshield, a Type-C to USB connector, or let's say you don't have no USB, it does come with a 2.5 amp plug-in that also has a Type-C to give the camera power itself. Another thing I did realize as I was opening the kit is that it includes another 3M adhesive that you can stick onto the mount, just in case you want to swap your dash cam from your whatever vehicle you installed it first to another one. So that's pretty gnarly. And also these wire clips. Another thing that the kit did include is a plastic trim remover tool, which is pretty cool. It does have an angle on this side and a flat end on this side. I will be using this for other trim removals as well, so it's pretty awesome. Here's the SD card. All you have to do is pop it in, click it, and it's good. A couple of cool features is that it is waterproof, magnet proof, x-ray proof, and even temperature proof, so you could exceed high levels of heat or even low temperatures and the micro SD card should be fine. Here's the hardwire kit. It does include different fuses and wires, 2 pairs actually, to hook up to your vehicle. It also has of course the hardwire kit with the ground, power. Here's the hardwire kit for the dash cam. As we can see, it does have a low voltage protection settings. I have a 12 volt battery car, so I'm gonna set it to 11.6, which is up for 1 and 2, and I'm gonna set it to a 12-hour timer, which is down for 3, 4, and 5. So here are the 3 wires. Of course, accessory, that's yellow. The constant power would be red, and ground black. They are labeled, so they would help you remember. So here are the fuse adapters. They have 4 different types. It all depends on your vehicle. I believe mine requires this one, so I will be using this one, and they do come with tools, so you could tap into your fuse box. Always refer to your vehicle's manual or any fuse diagram you could find for your specific vehicle. One thing I do not recommend you to do is tapping into a vehicle computer module or anything that's essential to your drive. What we are looking for is constant and accessory power, so we're going to find a fuse that's always hot and another that's hot whenever the vehicle ignition is on. So I have pulled out the 20 amp fuse from the moonroof slot. This will be my constant. I tested it with the multimeter and it did have constant power even after shutting off the vehicle. So I did find the compatible fuse adapter. It does have a slot, so all I have to do is pop it in here and I'm good to go. Again, this is the fuse I removed from the moonroof, so all I have to do is push it in like any other fuse. Make sure it's in there and I'm good to go. So all I have to do is pop it into slot 19 and I'll be good to go. There you go. Make sure it's in there. Yeah. So I will be removing the accessory fuse and plugging it into the new adapter. So I have this tool that I had got from the front fuse box. Your vehicle may have it. Pretty simple. So here's the adapter. All I have to do is plug it into this and plug it back into number 1, which is accessory. There you go. So here's my accessory power and my constant. So here it is all connected. All I have to do is crimp it and seal it and I'll be good to go. My constant is connected with my moonroof, which is constant power, and my accessory is connected with the yellow accessory wire, and I grounded it to this bare metal surrounding the OBD2. So they did come with these insulation sleeves. I slid them in already. You can put them back just in case you needed to hold on to this and push it in, but here it is. Just slide it back on. I do have to crimp it still, but I do that right now. So here it is all installed. I did leave the codes exposed just in case I wanted to swap out the timer.
Now, once you install the camera, you also require to install the app. The reason is if you ever get into an accident or an incident happen, you are able to recover the actual video directly from the camera to your phone, or you could actually review also location. Now, this system has a built-in GPS, so it is going to tell you exactly if the incident happened and the location, also the timing with it, and pretty much all the information that's required whenever an incident happened. Now, a great thing about this system is that it contains a library within the actual SD card, so you could go back and review even older videos anytime you want. Now, overall, the whole system was a little easy to set up, but if you want it easier, there's another way. You can just connect the USB directly to the actual system into your cigarette lighter. Now, in this case, when we set up the actual camera, we don't have to worry about managing cable or anything or taking over a cable on our cigarette lighter. We just directly point it out to actually a fuse box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.